Did you know that the plants lining our city streets might actually be hurting local wildlife? Today we explore how cities are revolutionizing landscaping by switching to native species. We often assume all green spaces are equal, but using non-native plants requires more water and chemicals. Let's look at how native species naturally support local ecosystems without heavy maintenance. Plants native to the United States, defined as those present before European settlement, offer incredible aesthetic and environmental benefits that imported varieties simply cannot match. Despite these benefits, a shocking statistic from 2018 reveals that only 10% of plant sales were actually native species, showing a massive disconnect in our landscaping. Choices. To fix this, cities like Austin partnered with the Native Wildlife Federation to launch Garden for Wildlife, teaching citizens to plant copper canyon daisies and native milkweeds. This shift is critical because wildlife relies entirely on these specific communities for habitat, giving city officials control over the future of local biodiversity in parks and medians. Ultimately, choosing native plants reduces invasion risks and enhances support for bees and birds, proving that a simple seed choice can transform an entire urban habitat. So there you have it, the power of native plants to restore our cities. Have you noticed any non-native species in your neighborhood? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.